After installing Windows, there are several essential programs that users should consider downloading and installing to optimize their experience and ensure their computer's functionality. These programs include utilities for system maintenance, security, media playback, and productivity. In this context, we will discuss 10 such programs that can make your life easier and help you get the most out of your computer. First, download any browser you like. I will download Chrome. Install it. Crystal Disk Info. It's a utility software that provides detailed information and health status of hard disk drives and SSD. Crystal Disk Mark. It's a benchmarking tool that measures the performance of hard disk drives and SSDs. 4 VLC is a media player that supports a wide range of audio and video formats. With additional features like streaming and media conversion. 5 Notepad is a powerful text editor with advanced features. Such as syntax highlighting and multi-language support. 6 WinRAR is a file compression and archival tool that allows users to compress files into smaller sizes and extract files from various compressed formats. 7 NVIDIA GeForce Experience is a software suite that optimizes game settings, captures gameplay, and keeps GPU drivers up to date for NVIDIA graphics card users. 8 grams PUZ is a lightweight utility that provides detailed information about the graphics card in a computer, including clock speeds, temperature, and other essential specifications. CPUZ is a software tool that provides detailed information about the central processing unit, CPU, of a computer, including architecture, clock speed, cache size, and other relevant data. SI Afterburner is a powerful overclocking utility that allows users to fine-tune and monitor graphics card performance for enhanced gaming and benchmarking. And if you want a full tutorial for it, click on this video here. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.